What we're going to do at this point is we're going to test the thermostatic de-icing switch that's located in the evaporator. It prevents freeze up of the evaporator. We're near the end of the performance test and everything's working out fine. This is the last test we need to do. So what we'll do is we'll turn the blower speed for the fan down to the lowest setting. And what that'll do is reduce the amount of air over the evaporator, cause it to super cool, and you'll see the clutch cycle off, and then as the temperature rises it'll cycle back on. It's set to open the clutch circuit at 31 degrees Fahrenheit, just below freezing, and then it'll close the circuit and turn the clutch back on at about 37 degrees Fahrenheit. We can see that the cab's cooling beautifully. System's working fine, and our 15-minute performance test has shown that this cooling system is working as it should. The last step to do will be to recover the refrigerant in the hoses so that we make sure we get a maximum charge in the system, and also it makes it a clean start for the next refrigeration job with no refrigerant in the lines. Next, what we have to do here is we have to equalize the hoses. So what we'll do is we'll push yes, disconnect the high side hose. So that's what we're going to do over here. We can take it right off, or we can just simply back the valve out. We'll take it off in this case. And now we'll come back to the machine and we'll hit start. What it's going to do is it's going to draw all the refrigerant in the high side and the low side hoses into the system to give you maximum charge. So you'll see here now on the gauges, right now with the compressor running, the hoses are opened up to the system, and it's going to pull the refrigerant in. So the clear is complete, and we can press any key to end the cycle. What we're going to do now is we're just going to recover the last little bit of refrigerant that's in the system. We've disconnected the hoses, we've put the Schrader valve caps back on, and we're just going to hit recover. And what it's going to do is it's going to draw any refrigerant that's in the hoses back into the tank, zero the gauges, and give us a fresh start for the next diagnostics. While that's occurring, what we can do is we can fill in a new ODP card stating that the system's fine. Very important that we tag the system. Heavy fines for not tagging systems. As it pulls the last bit of refrigerant out of the hoses, it puts itself into a slight vacuum.